This is the Mildenhall Advanced ASL Class 1 vocabulary. Okay, the first one is next. So you take your two hands, okay, actually, you take your non-dominant palm facing in, your dominant hand palm facing in, put it in front of the other one. So you start like this and then you move it out. Next. Okay, next. Next. The next one is can, which I think we've done this before, but we'll do it again. Can is your two hands, make A shapes, hand shapes, and you move them down. Can, all right? Third one is weak. Okay, not weak as in I am not strong, I'm weak, but weak as in like next week. Okay, so weak is non-dominant hand, palm up. Dominant hand, index finger is out. You put it on top of the palm and you move it out, just like nice, only weak is with your finger and your palm on there, and then you move it out, weak. Month is you take your non-dominant hand, point your finger up, palm facing out, dominant hand, index finger pointing, well, index finger up, okay, and then you start at the top of the back of your non-dominant index finger and you move it down. Month, okay? So if you want to say next month, you would say next month. The next one is after. After is you take your non-dominant hand, palm down. Your dominant hand palm is facing to the side, okay? And you go over. So remember how we did night and all that, this is the horizon. This is after, okay? After. So like after lunch, we went shopping, okay? After. The next one is later. Later is a non-dominant hand, palm facing to the side, L-shaped hand on the dominant hand, and you put the thumb on the palm and then you move it down, okay? Later, later. Now see you later is different. This is later, like we will talk later, all right? The next one is see you later. See you later is super easy. You just take your dominant hand, make an L and face it palm out and then flip it down, later. So if you want to say, see you later, see you later, see you later tomorrow, whatever, later, see you later. Okay, next one is every day. So we have day, all right? So now if you want to do every day, for some reason, I have no idea where this comes from, but every day is the A hand. You remember you did girl was one time on your chin, okay? Every day is 2 times on your chin, just like girl. I have no idea why, but so every day, all right? Next one is call. Call is easy. You make a Y hand, which is your phone, and you put it at your ear and your mouth. Call, just like you're putting the phone up to your head, okay? Call. The next one is soon. Soon is you make an F hand. I don't know why this one is this way either. It's one we're just gonna have to memorize. Soon is the F hand, and the first finger and thumb that are together hit the chin. Soon. Soon we go to the store, okay? Soon, looks like this, soon. All right, next one is minutes. So this is a lot of time. Ones we're learning all the rest of the time ones. Minutes are, so this is like the hand, maybe like part of the hand of the clock. And it hits on your, right here, on your dominant hand, okay? And then this is like the second hand, and so it goes like this, minutes. Now seconds are small, you don't use seconds very often. Seconds and minutes are basically the same sign, okay? So minutes. So you can say, we will go in 5 minutes, you would say 5 minutes, okay? The next one is hour. So this is like your clock, okay? Your non-dominant hand faces to the side. Your dominant hand has the index finger up and it moves it around in a circle like the clock, okay? But if you're gonna say, like we will leave in 5 hours, you could do 5, you just do 5. If you do 4, you could do 4 hours. 3 hours, 2 hours, okay? Now 6 hours, you would do 6 hours, okay? It's just basically 1, 2, 3, and probably 4, because 5 you couldn't really do it. Okay, the next one is we. I can't remember if we've done this or not, so we're just going to do it again. So you take your index finger, you start at your shoulder of your dominant side, and you move it to the other side. We. You can do it across like this, but most of the deaf people do it with the fingers down. Okay, we. That's also us. Okay, now they is you point your finger out, okay, and you sweep your hand across. Okay, so they are going to the store. They. All right. Next word is want. Want is you take your hands, palms up, and you kind of crook them a little bit so they kind of look like this. Okay. But palms are up and you bring it towards you and move your fingers in. Want. Want. Okay. I want to go to the store. I've been talking about that a lot. Maybe I want to. Okay, want. All right. Now, if you want to say don't want, you have your hands like this, like you're doing want, but then you flip them over. Okay, I don't want, and make sure you show it with your face. So you shake your head. I don't want, you just show it on your face too. I don't want to go. I don't want. Okay. Next one is called, it's the sign, it's what do is the official title of this sign, but what it means is what do you want to do? They have really shortened it. Or what do you do? So like kind of like where do you work? What do you do? You know, so or what do you want to do? It's all that. It's all shortened just by taking your index fingers and your thumbs on both your hands. They're facing up, palms are up, okay? And you know how the chicken sign we did, chicken or bird or 20, is like that, only flipped up, and you do it together. What do you do? Like your mom, what does she do? What does she do? Okay? You, what do you do? Okay? You just do this. 2 fingers like this, twice. Okay? All right, they use that a lot. It's a big sign. Okay, and then the next, we're gonna learn one more question sign, is why. Okay, so you take your hand like this, you have your 5 hand, you have your 5 hand, you put it up, you put your pinky and thumb out, and you bring it out. Why? Another one that they do is a lot faster, that I see it a lot more, is you just hit your middle finger, which is the feel finger that we've talked about. You just hit your middle finger on your forehead and you shake it, kind of like 25, only flipped and towards you. So you hit your forehead with that finger and bring it out. Why? Why? So why are you doing that? Why? Okay? All right, see you in class.